Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here. We're here sa SM MOA for the Stark Industries Expo. So let's check it out, yo. There's a Toy Kingdom event here featuring Iron Man at syempre Marvel na rin din. So let's check it out, yo. Na-invite tayo dito for a meet and greet with Iron Man. So baka natin yan, 10:30 pa lang naman. So I can see here a lot of toys already. Yung mga Hulkbuster na yan, no? Ayan, Stark Industries. At mga ZD Toys. Ayan. So yun yung Iron Man statue. That's original.
Iniwan niyo na yung laptop niyo?
Ewan ko ba kayo yung gagalaw mamaya.
Okay, dyan. Nahanap na ako.
Alright, so may mga display ng mga toys dito, no? Gawa na lang ako ng slideshow para makita ninyo. Okay, slideshow ng Iron Man and Marvel figures, pasok! Nakita nyo na, no? Grabe, nakita ko yung mga blow-kiss na figures, no? Nakakabudol. Tsaka yung game series na Wolverine, maganda din. Grabe, pero buti na lang meron tayong loot bag from Toy Kingdom. Ano laman nito? Laman nito ay Iron Man na mask. Ayan, panalo. Suotin natin ito mamaya sa meet and greet. Food supplement, Super Grow. Okay ito, ah. Yari, meron tayong blind box na ano, blow-kiss Marvel. First time natin ito magkaroon. On Iron Man na neck pillow. Alright, pang travel. Alright, di pa nagsistart yung event, no? So tour na tayo, ano ba meron dito? Okay, let's do this. Let's pass up here. So we are here sa entrance, no? Ito yung Iron Man Hall of Armor. Different kinds of armor. Ilan na ba armor ni Iron Man? Nasa ano ba? Abot ba ng 42 armors? Ayan. And here's the parang Infinity War, no? It's Iron Man Mark L. Ayan. Ito ata yung may nanotech na Iron Man, eh. Pero ganda ng forma, oh. Diba? And also they have toys here. Check natin yung mga toys. Check natin. Let's start here. Nakita natin ito parang Hulkbuster or Iron Man tech suit. Also a Spider-Man Hulk mecha suit. Ano to? Si Thor. Ito yung Iron Man. Pero grabe yung mura niya, 549 pesos. Nga lang si Thor medyo parang itim. Na black wash siya si Thor dito. Okay sana, pero kailangan na lang i-repaint. They have a Captain America. Nakita ko na itong mga to, pero ang ganda. Tsaka mura niya, 549. Patay tayo na to. Ayoko mag-start na to, eh. And here's the Iron Man figure. Sana pati X-Men magkaroon din, no? Mas maganda may X-Men. And syempre, Spider-Man. Dapat mawala yan. A very young Spider-Man. At here 1,499. Parang figure na merong stand. Also have Captain America. Hulkbuster. Ganda na scale ng Hulkbuster niya, oh. Scale naman din pala. Oh my god. So I guess, kasing laki ba nito yung ano? Masya kasing laki niya, ano? Pero ganda ng Hulkbuster. Very scale dun sa small figures. Wala pang Thanos. Ito Iron Spider. Ganda ng Iron Spider. Parang medyo malaki siya. Ganda, oh. Mjolnir, it's a weapon. Ang liit. Pero mas better to. 499 lang. Grabe. A new set of Mjolnir. Shield. Grabe, oh. There's also a new helmet tsaka new Thor hammer. Nice. Here's the Secret Wars Spider-Man statue. Comic book style. Ito rin. And also this. Magkano to? 3,799. Alright. Ito may small version din siya. Small version 2,299. Classic Spider-Man. Falcon. Captain Falcon. May X-Men na, oh. Pero mga statues. Daredevil. So yung mga Blowkiss pala is 399. Ito yung pang batang version na Blowkiss. Hindi yung kamukha nung sa atin. Pero ito rin pala, Infinity. It's 399. Okay. Patay tayo nito. Parang mas abuti na yung mga ganito, no? Mas mura na yung mga toy figures. Kasi dati sobrang mahal ng mga figures, eh. Parang the most expensive figures na panahon ng Marvel, so maabot na lang 800, eh. But this one is 399, is very posable. And merong Blowkiss na bigger version. Ito yung naka-display doon. Grabe, ang ganda. Patay, magkano? 1,499. Ito yung naka-display doon sa cabinet. And here's yung big guns nila. Grabe, oh. Infinity Saga. That's 4,499. Ito yung naka-display doon. Isang set. Grabe, ang ganda. More ZD Toys. 2,000. Bakit kaya 2,000 to? Parang metallic version siya. Venom. ZD Toys din. Infinite 199. Classic Venom series. Okay. Ganda. Uy, grabe, ang ganda. Speed Cart. 499. And ito yung gusto kong i-target, eh. Much bigger siya. Kaso nga lang mas malaki siya sa Marvel Icons. Kasi Marvel Icons. Meron palang mask din palang Captain America at Spider-Man. Uy, ganda ng Iron Man suitcase, oh. Kano to? 14,000. Grabe. Unboxing Iron Man helmet. Here's Stark Industries event. Suotin na natin to kasi magpapaphoto op tayo kay Iron Man, eh. Puti ka ba? Ang liit nito. May strap naman pala. Grabe, kahit may strap to, maliit pa din. Hindi kasya sa akin, pero pasok naman yung ilong ko. Diba? Pwede na. Uy, may vlogger, oh.
Vlogger ka?
Oo, vlogger ako. Hindi mo ba alam? Ako yung Iron Man vlogger. Oh. Seryoso to, seryoso. Iron Man vlogger tayo, eh. Kasi naka Star Trek t-shirt ako. Nagsuot na lang ako ng helmet para mas swak ako dito sa event na to.
Kasi binong ka na ngayon,
binong kasi naka Star Trek ako, eh. Wala akong Iron Man. Yung Iron Man ko, Avengers ko, yung itim t-shirt ko naging gray na. So ito na. Vlogger, oh. Mag-register ka na doon, oy.
Oy, kuya, vlogger.
Oh. Talk to the hand.
Saan ba nag-register?
Alright, unbox na natin tong my first Marvel Blowkiss. Kasi meron ako sa bahay, puro Transformers.
YOLO Park pa rin.
Oh,
YOLO Park pa rin.
Yolo Park pa rin yung maganda. Open na natin to, baka bawiin sa atin. Sige, sige.
Yung pa ng birthday niya.
Ah.
Baka dadalaw ng weekend.
Uy, Iron Man! Iron Man! Iron Man nakuha ko! Iron Man, kasi yung manual niya Iron Man eh.
Ano yan parang labubo, di ba?
Ay, hindi!
Sino yan?
Iron Patriot.
Patriot.
Iron Patriot.
Ano na?
Nice, nice, nice.
Grabe nilit ng pieces nito.
Ano next na
Nakakatakot.
for April?
April.
Okay.
Parang
Iron
merong
Patriot.
test.
Okay na rin din.
First compliment display today, wow, with the lifestyle showcase of the actual Mark 7 and Mark 8. Please share this extraordinary
Vlogger! Uy, may vlogger oh! Ano yung mga Make-A-Wish kids. And we are now entering the Stark Industries.
Hashtag BOA Marvel Iron Man. This exclusive event is another first
May
in
food na
the
pala.
Philippines and in Southeast Asia, brought to you by Toy Kingdom, the amazing
Ito, pound?
toy store.
Power amplifier will begin shortly. An appearance by Iron Man is anticipated. Please enter the queue now if you wish to join us and meet the Armored Avenger in person. Registration will begin soon.
Parang feeling ko na sa Disneyland ako, no? Parang Marvel Disneyland ba yun? Parang gano'n, PJ oh. Parang gano'n, parang doon siya atang siya galing sa Disneyland.
Good morning and
They're playing the
welcome
classic
to
Iron Man
Star
theme song.
Lab, where innovation, extraordinary event, extraordinary showcase. So guys, we're all gathered here for one reason, that is to witness the one and only. Let me give you a round of applause, please, guys, for this amazing thing. We have the Stark Power Amplifier. Oh, for our Stark Expo. Yeah! All right, and with that, let's get this program officially started. And to kick off,
Will transport you into the world of Stark Industries, where cutting-edge technology meets visionary innovation. From April 4 to 6, we are offering you a unique opportunity to meet Iron Man in person. Yes, the one and only Iron Man. You will have the chance to witness groundbreaking technology up close, interact with the Marvel Universe like never before, and experience the power of Tony Stark's vision.
amazing things we have here. I'm gonna go down for this
Visitor
part.
pass,
because
Stark
let me tour you
Industries
around
at meron
our Stark Expo. So
meet and
right
greet
here,
rules.
we are in our fun department lab. And of course we have some kids here, amazing kiddos here from Make-A-Wish. And I guess some of their parents, maybe, who knows, are very close relatives of Stark. The answer
Abata! Ano yan? Iron Man Iron Man drone!
Alright, let's go around with
Abata,
some
Abata,
signs.
Abata.
Let me
Abata!
Hello! Oh, of course. Wow, we are. Hello! Let me find a little. He is saying no to a very complicated question. Why is that, sir? Okay, let me. Okay, this is gonna be fun for you. I feel like you are a fan. I look at you with your smile, pearly whites. I feel like you are. Okay. Rumor has it that Thor hails from a mystical realm connected by something called the Bifrost. What is the name of his home? Asgard. Asgard. And where did this amazing answer come from? What is your name, sir?
Enzo.
Enzo. Right there, ladies and gentlemen, Enzo has answered correctly. And with that, from Stark Expo, we have this for you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, hello! Wait, that me. Hello, what is your name, sir?
I'm Carl and my dad is an Iron Man fan.
Your dad is an so, okay,
Wala.
trying to take
Kaya ikaw, huwag mo ka sabing Iron Man fan ka.
Tony Stark guidance. Oh, so I'm hearing the answer. Oh, yeah, sure,
System.
Just a rather very intelligent system. Do you believe that is the correct answer? Can I hear you louder? Do you believe that is the correct answer for Jarvis?
Google says so, yes.
Jarvis,
And
what's the
therefore, I will
answer?
say it is the correct answer. Very, very smart of Tony Stark to name Jarvis that. Congratulations.
Wala, kung ikaw pala yun, talo.
You learned something new today. Hello. Let me ask you a question. Maybe someone here in the middle.
Okay,
We have
lagpas
here
na. Mark safe.
Oh, I'm
Di
guessing
tayo nakakaya.
I'm guessing obviously you guys are huge.
Alright guys,
huge Iron
we
Man
are here
supporters.
sa stage
I'm
area
guessing
na.
you also know a couple of Avengers, right? So I think
Iron Man Stark Industries at
okay. So
nakaligtas
back in the
tayo
day,
dun sa Q&A nila.
there was a
Pakita tayo ng mukha.
legendary soldier discovered in the Arctic, revived.
Here for the helipad.
Okay, guys, did you hear that? I am just as excited. Making his first public appearance in the Philippines and in Southeast Asia.
Wow,
Let's
talaga?
all
Seryoso?
give a big round of applause for the one and only armored Avenger himself, Iron Man!
Great to be here in the Philippines.
Ay! Si Robert Downey!
Are you all excited for Iron Man to be here? I think you are. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I think it is time to finally invite our distinguished guests.
Join me, won't you? Hey, I like that. Now pretty
Video ba mo?
I'm pretty much clever. I had a nano particle detector.
Ay, nabangan yung camera ko. Alright, we are now done meeting Iron Man. Grabe, napakabilis ng pangyayari. So, talagang imported siya from Marvel Disney. Meron siyang real-time voice changer na boses ni Tony Stark, boses ni Robert Downey Jr. Para napaka-astig. Nakakausap ko talaga. Nakakapag-appear at fist bump ako. Nakakapag-interact. Galing, grabe ng costume na yun. Ay, may bumibili na dito. May bumibili na. Ano bumibili niya? Oh, Mang Earl. Anong feeling mo? Nakausap mo si Mr. Stark.
Why is he the coolest Avenger daw?
Wow! Ikaw, anong feeling?
Yun. Meeting my idol.
Number one. Meeting daw na.
Team
Meeting
Iron
daw.
Man forever.
Yun, ayan siya.